never show me something. Keep it sauce and tell nobody in the city. Smoke exotics. Yeah, spin it slow. Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another wig review as always. So yeah, this is a bomb wig sent to me from Elemo hair. Thank you guys for sending me this wig. I really love it. This is a 360 lace frontal wig. This is the water wave wig in 16 inches. And yeah, so let's just jump right into this review. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I know I'm gonna struggle because I've never done a 360 lace frontal. So yeah, I did the ball cap method at the front. I didn't do the back. I'm probably not even gonna lay the back down just because I feel like it's gonna be really difficult. So I'm gonna go put the wig on and I'll come back and show you guys. Alright y'all, so I got the wig on, as you can see. I did not lay it down in the back, but yeah, I got the wig on, as you can see, and this is a water wave wig, 360 lace frontal, and it is 16 inches. It's about 95% dry. It's pretty much dry. It does have like a wet look, but it's not. And all I did was spray it with water. I co-washed it. I used a leave-in conditioner, and that was yesterday, and then today I just sprayed it with water, and I used a mousse, and boom, here we are. As you can see, got them baby hairs laid, honey. I got them laid. And I used a mousse and just the black Got To Be Blue gel to lay my baby hairs. Y'all know I like side parts because my forehead is big. So I do have a side part, and I plucked the part to make it look more natural, and I added powder to the part. I did not bleach the knots or anything, and it's looking this bomb with no bleached knots. So shout out to Elemo hair. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna call them. Shout out to Elemo hair for sending me this wig. I really like it. Y'all let me know below if you want to see me straighten this wig, flat ironing this wig. I know like you're really not supposed to straighten like curly and like wavy units, but I think it will be fine. So let me know down below if y'all would like to see me do that. I really I had fun like installing this wig, y'all. Like, I really enjoyed the process. Like, I really did. I thought it was gonna be like really challenging, but honestly it was not that challenging. I did not film me installing the wig because I already have other videos of me installing the wig, and I didn't do it any different. Like, I did the same thing. So let me show y'all the back. And as y'all know, it's a 360 lace frontal, so it's lace in the back, but I did not lay it down. But I will go ahead and show y'all anyway. So pull the hair up, and yeah, this is how it looks. Honestly, y'all, I feel like if I was to put this in a high bun, it would still look fine without me even laying it down. So I might end up doing that. If I do, y'all make sure to follow me on my IG and add me on Snapchat, because I will be like, you know, taking pictures with my little bun or whatever. Yeah, I will be taking pictures with my bun if I do decide to do that. Yeah, but let me know, like, what do y'all think? This this honestly does look similar to the Brazilian curly wig that I did a month ago, a couple months ago or so. And if y'all have me on Snapchat, y'all will see that I'm still wearing that wig. Like, it's bomb. I also might end up dyeing this wig because I do want some color. I never color my wigs. I never dye them. I just leave them as the natural color that they come. But you know, I want to start experimenting with dyeing wigs and, you know, bleaching and doing the freaking watercolor method. Like, I want to start experimenting. But yeah, also when Elemo hair sent me this wig, it also came with the lashes that I am wearing right now. Let's see. Alright, y'all, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I'll sit in the lobby, show me something, keep it sauce until nobody